cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. There are 7 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pry off the side panel. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. The filter housing door has tabs on the inside that will help raise the filter up inside the housing. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the side panel. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box. Reinstall the footwell panel.